Srinam Adab, and welcome to you in this beautiful ceremony, and please clap for yourself.
Tell you about some advantages of online study. So, online study refer to saves our precious time and money of traveling. And in online study, we can study from any corner of the world. And online study, who student cannot go to school and college, online study is very useful for them. And online study provide us many varieties of courses. You know that. And now I tell you about some disadvantages online study. So in online study, good study environment is missing because in this field only limited communication between teacher and student. Limited communication means only study communication. So we can say that this is type of study is some boring type. And in
His birthday 2 October 1969. He is a very strong man.
लेट मी स्टार्ट ओके थैंक यू। मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कि कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा नहीं तेज मुझ में दीपक सा जलता देखोगे, तुम मुझे अपनी हद रोशन करने से कब तक रोकोगे, कब तक रोकोगे। मैं उस मिट्टी के वृक्ष हूँ जिसको नदियों ने नहीं सींचा है, बंजर धरती पे पली बढ़ी मैं, मृत्यु से जीवन को खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूँ, तुम शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे, मिटने वाली मैं नाम नहीं, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
I am not handsome, but my hand is always ready to give someone who needs help. Because beauty is not required in health, it is in the heart.
Women empowerment is empowering the women to take their own decision, their personal development of their own decision, their personal development, empowerment of women to be self-reliant, independent, have positive self-esteem, generate and confidence of face any difficult situation, and incite active participation in various socio-political development endeavors. There are various ways in how one can empower women. The individuals and government must both come together to make it happen. Education for girls must be made compulsory so that women can become literate to make a life for themselves. Women
ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, अपना ही साया देख के तुम जान
Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born 24 April 1973 in Maharashtra. Sachin is always childhood fashion only focus only goal, only sports. He is not focus only education because he is not focus all time education. That is a fail in his class 10th, as we know that all about. After some time, Sachin is a 14 years. Then he went to the school and is a very good performance for his school. After that is always practice, is more practice, evening practice, morning practice. He is always never back to what are doing this.
The student life is the best part of life. A student learn many things from book. After his student life is over, so he need practical knowledge of things. Student life is a carefully life. Student leads a mind to live a successful life. The student life is a morality and good manner. Student life is a carefree life. A student goes sometime picnic and sometime educational trip. The students goods different and atmosphere from the college.
Main problem of today is climate change. First, I want to describe what is climate. In this time, every country want to become developed country. That's why they are facing many complicated things, and they also burning more fossil fuel. And the transportation system also increase too many things like gases. If any harmful gas go from our Earth's surface to atmosphere, it disturb our greenhouse gas. If our greenhouse gas disturb, it's increase the temperature of Earth. Like we In this time, 1.5 degrees Celsius have increased the temperature of Earth. That's why the many causes of, we can see that first is the polar ice melting day by day. That's why the sea level increasing day by day. That's why in recent month Indonesia changed his capital from Jakarta to Nusantara, and our scientists also predict that if the sea level will be increasing in future, our Mumbai in the world with kaleidoscopic variety and the rich cultural heritage. It has achieved all round socio-economic sense independence. As the seventh largest country in the world, India stand apart from the rest of Asia, marked off it is by a mountain and the sea.
This story teaches us to not to go off our confidence and by comparing ourselves to others. There was a crow. One day he see a swan, and he went to swan and say to her that you are looking very cute because you are totally white. And then swan said that according to me the parrot was more.
Poem. Life is so beautiful. Beautiful. 1 hour 1 minute will be never come again. So just forget all problem and be happy.
हर मोहल्ले में मेरे वतन के दीवाने बेशुमार बैठे हैं। हर गली हर मोहल्ले में मेरे वतन के दीवाने बेशुमार बैठे हैं। हर नौजवान के सीनों में देशभक्ति के किरदार बैठे हैं। देशभक्ति के किरदार बैठे हैं। जा चली जाए पर इस वतन की शान में आँच नहीं आने देंगे। लाखों शहीद हुए, करोड़ों तैयार बैठे हैं। कर चले हम फिदा जान सन साथियों, कर चले हम फिदा जान सन साथियों। अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज़ जमती गई। सांस थमती गई, नब्ज़ जमती गई। फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया। फिर भी
social media has also had two sides, advantage and disadvantage. It is depend upon us how we use social media. If we look positive aspect of social media, it is a great platform for education. Students can educate themselves on various topics using social media. Live classes are possible because of social media. We can attend any seminar, performance, program anytime, anywhere across the world because of social media. With the help of social media, the knowledge and the awareness among the people have increased. With the help of social media, we can talk with our family. Social media also provide job opportunity to people. With the help of social media, now we can sell online and we can purchase online. Company can advertise their.
Before I starting my topic, I want to ask some questions to you. Do you know about generation gap? Yeah, generation gap. When generation gap occurs, there is an age difference between two peoples. It becomes a cause of conflict between children and parents. Anyone here who has felt it? Okay, it's okay. I feel that many teachers, in relation to their students, has faced this difference. Guys, I will believe that many our teachers understand from us our age, what we like or what we not. But are the people around us who is older than us? We should trying to mold ourselves according to them. Maybe few people do.
चांदनी चांद से होती है सितारों से नहीं, मोहब्बत एक से होती है हजारों से नहीं।
Hi ma'am.
Hello sir.
Thank you. As you know, my name is Jal Tiwari. I am from Prayagraj. Now my topic was advantages and disadvantages of social media. But listen my thing. But ma'am has said, so I have changed my topic. And now my topic is what is importance of English in our life. Firstly, if we know English, then we can talk to anyone in global level. Studying English, we can talk a global level. And firstly, it communicate. Communication was very better to speak English. And there was a many language of English, that computer science, फार्माज। सही पुराने जख्म भी भूल जाएंगे, तुम आओ तो सही, दर्दे जख्म भी सिल लेंगे, तुम आओ तो सही, माना कि मेरा शहर मशहूर है अंधेरों का, चांद आंगन में उगा लेंगे, तुम आओ तो सही।
First CA. Today I am here to talk about brain drain. Many persons don't know what is a brain drain. So firstly I would like to tell you what is a brain drain. Brain drain is a process of migration young talented people from one country to another country, or we can say shifting brain power from one country to another country. There are many reasons why happened brain drain. And according to me, the main cause of brain drain is lack of good job opportunity in our country, and economic status and social environment is also big reason for brain drain. If you talk about our social environment, there are many type dispute regarding to caste and religion, as like Hindu-Muslim dispute. So people do not find good atmosphere in our country for themselves and for.
आसान नहीं होता, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है, डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में, लड़ने वाले के कदमों में जहान होता है।
Mind is more powerful and better than money, because if you do not use your mind, then you lost all the amount of money you have. But you use your mind properly, money can still come. That's my point. That's it.
Importance of satellite for humans. Space satellite is very important, I think, for humans, because without space satellite we can't imagine our future. Space satellite provide us many facilities like that communication and early warning system and etc. like that. Etc. And space satellite, I think, according to me, we can divide 3 parts. For civilian and military and for scientist and space satellite.
की मानता नहीं, दिल है कि मानता नहीं, मुश्किल बड़ी है रस्म मोहब्बत, ये जानता ही नहीं, हो दिल है कि मानता नहीं, ये बेकरारी क्यों हो रही है, ये जानता ही नहीं, हो दिल है कि मानता नहीं, दिल तो ये चाहे हर पल तुम्हें हम बस यूं ही देखा करें, मर के भी हम ना तुमसे जुदा हो, कुछ ऐसा करें, मुझ में समा जा, पास आ जा, हमदम मेरे हम नसीब, हो दिल है कि मानता नहीं।
प्रवाह भावि दस्तले गले वलम जलम बिता भुजंद तुंड मालिका डमड 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 डमर व मुन्नि ना डमर वयम चकार चंड तांडवम तनोतु न शिव शिवम जटाकटाह संप्रभंत नापलिंप निर्झरी विलोल बीच वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि दगद 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 जो लल्लाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षण मम धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी विलास बंधु धूर स प्रमोद मान मानसे कृपा कृताक्ष धोरडी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदी कदीचि मानि गंबरो विनोद सेतु वस्तुनि
हड़बे हड़बे चाल घुंघरू टूट जाएगा हड़बे हड़बे चाल घुंघरू टूट जाएगा हड़बे हड़बे चाल घुंघरू टूट जाएगा घुंघरू टूट जाएगा मेरा हो गया मैं तेरी हो गई जहाँ जाए तू संग मुझे ले जा ले जा ले जा ले जा ले जा
Good afternoon to everyone. Now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Farhan. I am from Prayagraj. I have done master degree in HR and IB from FS University. Before I started Naat Sharif, now I am going to going to tell you a very short history about Naat Sharif. Okay, so Naat is an Arabic word. It means literally praise in Urdu. Naat means the praise of Prophet Muhammad, also called Naat in Urdu. Naat are also known as Naat Khan or Sana Khan. So now I am going to sing a song, sing a Naat Sharif. न छेड़ो जिक्र जन्नत अब मदीना याद आया है न छेड़ो जिक्र जन्नत अब मदीना याद आया है नबी का शब्द गुंबद दिल की आँखों में समाया है नबी का शब्द गुंबद दिल की आँखों में समाया है.
Good afternoon, sir. So, my name is Ali Akhtar. I was born and brought up in Prayagraj. Now, these days, I am doing an internship in Applus, a digital marketing agency. So, I am going to describe where did I see a real India. So, shall I start, sir? Okay. So I see India in my school because school is the only place where we do not make discrimination about anyone. It doesn't matter which caste or religion he belongs to, and we only know that person. We do not, by looking his caste or religion, seeing this, we do not make him or her our friend. And we have read about India only in books or heard from our parents, but today we are not that in that India today. So in today's era,
Respected teacher, my name is Chandesh Patel. I am from Pratapgarh, but now I am pursuing BA. Apart from this, I am learning spoken English. I want to listening शायरी, my देशभक्ति जो दुनिया को सुनाई दे उसे कहते हैं खामोशी, जो दुनिया को सुनाई दे उसे कहते हैं खामोशी, जो आंखों में दिखाई दे उसे कहते हैं
First of all, thank you so much for being here and keeping such a patience. आप लोगों ने सबको सुना. So please clap for yourself. And once again, thank you so much, sir, for organizing such a things for these students. And this is really very helpful to improve your communication skills. But it's not only about communication skills while you are representing something. As much as